Doctors, nurses, and public health professionals from across the globe are responding to climate change, with the World Health Organization establishing it as one of the top priorities for the coming decade. To inform this response, the medical journal The Lancet engages experts from every discipline in order to better understand the broader implications of climate change, providing a diagnosis and a prescription for an issue which could undermine the last 50 years of gains in public health. The Lancet Countdown, tracking progress on health and climate change, takes this agenda forward, monitoring the response to climate change and demonstrating what action, or the failure to act, means for our health. Its 2017 publication reports on 40 indicators across 5 key areas in health and climate change, with clear messages for health professionals and governments. The human symptoms of climate change are unequivocal and potentially irreversible, affecting the health of all populations today. These impacts are disproportionately affecting communities least responsible for climate change, and those who are most vulnerable in society, from a child in Kenya to a farmer in Australia. The delayed global response has put their lives and livelihoods at risk. Over the last 25 years, the situation has worsened, with many of the Lancet Countdown's indicators moving in the wrong direction and little progress made. And yet, the last 5 years provide clear reasons for optimism. The Paris Agreement on climate change provides a framework for action and accelerated political momentum. Early signs of a rapid transition from coal to renewable energy and growing investment in sustainable transport signal the beginning of a broader transformation, with unprecedented gains in public health to follow. Going forward, the Lancet Countdown will continue to monitor progress on health and climate change every year, developing its indicators and tracking a world that is increasingly responding to the challenge and realizing the opportunities for human health that this brings. Visit the Lancet Countdown's website for its report on the state of health and climate change across the world in 2017.